Taking control of your financial future isn't just about earning more money, it's about making smart decisions with the money you already have. If you want to break free from financial stress, save for the future, and live life on your own terms, it's time to take charge. In this guide, we'll show you how to create a plan that lets you make the rules and control your money. Step 1. Understand where you are. The first step in taking control of your financial future is understanding your current situation. This means getting a complete picture of your income, expenses, and debts. Start by gathering your financial statements, everything from pay stubs to credit card bills, and review them carefully. Once you know what's coming in and what's going out, you'll be able to see if you're living within your means or spending more than you earn. If you're in the red, don't worry, this is the first step to turning things around. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Now that you know where you are, it's time to decide where you want to go. Setting clear, measurable financial goals is the best way to stay motivated and focused. Think about what's important to you, whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, buying a house, or saving for retirement. Break your goals down into short-term, mid-term, and long-term categories. For example, short-term, save $1,000 for an emergency fund. Mid-term, pay off credit card debt in 12 months. Long-term, save for a down payment on a house in 5 years. Having clear goals gives you something to aim for and a reason to manage your money wisely. Step 3. Build a budget that works for you. A budget is your most powerful tool for taking control of your money. But it shouldn't feel like a financial straitjacket. Instead, create a budget that works with your lifestyle. Start by listing your fixed expenses, like rent, utilities, and loan payments, and then your variable expenses, like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Make sure your budget reflects your priorities and values. For example, if travel is important to you, budget for it. The key is to find balance, spend on what matters and cut back on what doesn't. Step 4. Automate your savings. Once you've got a budget in place, the next step is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account so you're consistently saving each month, no matter what. This takes the guesswork out of saving and ensures you're building a financial cushion without having to think about it. Start by building an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Once you've got that in place, start saving for other goals, like retirement or a big purchase. The earlier you start, the more your money will grow over time. Step 5. Invest for the future. Saving is essential, but investing is what helps you grow your wealth over time. Investing allows your money to work for you by earning returns that compound over the years. Start by contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages and help you build long-term wealth. If you're new to investing, consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. They offer diversification and lower risks compared to picking individual stocks. The key is to start early and stay consistent, even if you start with small amounts. Step 6. Protect your financial future. Taking control of your financial future also means protecting what you've built. This involves having the right insurance, like health, auto, and home insurance, to cover potential risks. Don't forget about life insurance if you have dependents or debt. Additionally, having a will or an estate plan in place ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Finally, keep an eye on your credit score and review your credit report regularly. A good credit score opens doors to lower interest rates and better financial opportunities. Your money, your rules, that's how you take control of your financial future. By understanding where you are, setting clear goals, budgeting, saving, investing, and protecting your assets, you'll be on the path to financial freedom. With these strategies, you can make informed choices, achieve your goals, and live life on your terms.